All right, so how you doing? First off, let's start with that. I'm making this video for the actually, as you can see, the company on the screen there, which is right up there. See it? Look at my mouse. Look at my mouse. Look at my mouse. See my mouse right here. All right, this company right here, Sewtech. If you don't remember, they send me. Hold on, let me go get it. Let me get it. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. So they sent me this thing, okay? This belt hoop. As you can see, I have the belt in there already. If you're watching the videos before, you should see me put that belt in and everything else. I keep looking up there because I have a monitor that's on and it's up there. So that's why I keep looking up there instead of there where the screen is right in front of me. All right, just so you know. All right, this is about their website. This video I wanted to do a video about their website and what they have to offer, and if you care to know. But first thing I have to say, this machine they have here that's keep flashing in front of my face, rawr, I want some of that. That thing looks nice. I don't know anything about the machine. I don't own one, obviously. I have a Melco, but I didn't know anything about this company until now, and that machine looks really nice. I'd love to test that thing out. Love to get my fingers all over them screens. Rub out this, caress that metal and plastic. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie, this machine looks nice. Let's look at it. Okay. And that looks nice. I gotta admit, this is a nice machine. What if it comes with everything in here? I really wonder if it comes with everything. Ooh, they have stacks of them. Oh, come on, send me one. Okay, stitching looks nice. If you're new to if this is because I'm collaborating this video with Sewtech, so if you ever curious, you can check my channel out about my Melco. And one of the things I complained the most about my Melco, and I complained a lot about that machine, is this what I'm looking at right here though. See these things right here? The presser foots? See these presser foots? I like this design a hell of a lot better than I like my Melcos. I'm just throwing that out there. This design is way better. I've run into so much issues with my Melco, and this design, I like this design much better than what's on the machine I currently own. And it looks like its stitch is really nice too. It does. It really looks like it does. That is not bad stitching here. This looks really nice. Okay. Alright. You go on Sewtech with your badness. And I like that screen, how it looks. It reminds me of a different machine I've seen before, but let's not call their names here. But this one looks it looks well put together. So I've got to give them that. And then, again, this is Sewtech's machine. I love to get my hands on that machine. Hey, if you guys ever want to send me one, because I can't afford another machine right now, just I'll be more than happy to test it for you. More than happy. And look at the price. Holy mess. Now, for everybody in my group and on my YouTube channel who's been asking me about embroidery machines, I absolutely love that price. I'm not even gonna play. I absolutely love this price. I do not know anything about this machine. Let me throw that out there. I don't own one. I've never used one. This is the first time I've never heard about Sewtech until they sent me this thing. I didn't know anything about Sewtech. All right, but so far I'm liking what I'm seeing. I don't know anything about it. This so far has been better than I could have even imagined. It's good. I haven't stitched on it yet, but I'm going to, and somehow I don't think I'll ever have a problem with it. That's just how I'm seeing it right now. I'm not having that problem. And the price of this machine is absolutely crazy. The cheapest Melco I've seen, I can only talk about Melco because it's the only machine I have. I'm sorry, Sewtech, but I have to talk about what I know. Is over $10,000, and these guys are giving you one for $4,000. I don't know anything about, like I said, I don't know anything about this machine. It's the first time I'm even looking at this stuff, and already I'm like, yes. I love the design. I love the way it looks. I don't know how it's stitched. I can't talk for how it's stitched because I don't have one. I've never seen one. I've never put my hands on one, so I can only tell you what I'm looking at. And so far, I'm actually impressed. Oh, 270. Yeah, this right here, that's good. That's a plus. Ooh, I like the screen too. I wonder if this does. Oh yes, wireless transmission. Whoa! Win-win over here. I like that. This is how I transfer all my files, is to wireless. That's one of the reasons why I picked the machine I have, because I could transfer stuff wirelessly at the time when I purchased mine. This really wasn't a thing, this wireless feature, but now it is. What? Oh, look at that. That's dead on. Oh. Sewtech. I'm gonna be a begging right now. If you guys ever need a tester for this machine, right here, just sign me up. I'll be a tester. I'll be your guinea pig. I'll be your willing guinea pig. Bow down, bow down. I like this machine. I'm not gonna lie, I really like this machine. But it looks nice. I'm not gonna say it looks nice. That's all I can say. It looks nice. Oh, you get all this stuff with it. Standard stuff, nothing new. Oh, you get the bench. There's a specific brand you buy. This bench right here is actually separate, and they're throwing it in with the purchase. Oh, the table's also a part of it. So I'm guessing you can actually do quilting with this thing. So if you're a quilter and they give this and this in the same package, that's awesome. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm not even gonna try to play like I don't like it. I like it. And then the magnetic frames. These are the magnetic frames they have. And we're gonna go through some of this stuff. There's a belt hoop that I have. As you can see, you can do more than just belts on it, which is nice. I'm gonna actually have to buy dog collars, these ones with the fabric, and stitch on it too. I'm gonna use a belt hoop to do a lot of stuff. So that's the weight. 10-inch touchscreen. You can sew up to 100 million stitches. That's a lot of stitches if you don't know. They say 800 design. I'm gonna give it about 600, because some designs are huge. Especially, I just made a design the other day. It was like almost 100,000 stitches in it. So I'm gonna say drop this number to about 600, like realistically. 19 language supported. That's nice. 110. Yep, not bad. Where's the sewing field? That's the angle. Nobody ever goes over to. I'm stitching now, and I find myself not going past 800. I think my maximum sew speed is 850. I tried to do 1,000 stitches. Unless you're doing like really flat things and thick fabrics, you really don't want to go past 850. Beyond that, you just kind of screw up your designs, and to me it's not worth it. So 1,200 is it's a very good speed, because most people don't even go past 800. There's a machine, again, I don't know anything about this one, but the ones that I've touched, there's one of them that slows down, like they slow down, really slow down, depending on what it's stitching. So again, it says 1,200, but they never ever get that. Most of them never get that speed anyway, so that makes no difference. And aluminum frame, so it's light. Machine aluminum, the motors, actually that stepper motor looks nice. I think it's a stepper motor. I don't know. It's a motor. Belt driven. I like how that laser's aligned though. Oof, precision. And all that stuff don't matter to us. As long as it's built properly, that's all I care about. Alright, let's get to the stuff. I like that machine. I'm just saying I like that machine. I just wanted to show it to you. And there's two types. This one looked like a 50 needle. And look at the price of that thing. Seriously? This one looks like a bigger sewing field. Yep, there's a sewing field. That's what I was looking for. The sewing field. That's a huge sewing field. And then what's the other one? Where's the other one? And that one is only 14. This is about what I can do now. This is roughly, I can do a little bit bigger than this, but not much more than this. So this is pretty much the size machine, but I have 16 needles, but relatively this sewing field. So this is right in the same ballpark of what I have right now. This one right here. Again, I don't know anything about the machines. Let's move on. Hoops. Magnetic hoops. And as you can see, these are like little single needle machines, so you can get magnetic hoops for Brother, Baby Lock, hoop, right here, Happy Japan, Burden, Buy, Baby Lock, Brother, Melco. Oh, Melco's right there. This right here is something I was thinking about getting. Actually, that's not bad. That really isn't a bad price. I wanted this because you can do pockets, certain hats with just this thing, and I was thinking about getting this. I might have to get it from here and test. Again, if you guys want to send me a test package, I'm more than happy to take it because I can't afford nothing right now. I just spend way more money than I need to. So I can't afford it right now. But if you guys want to send me one, I'd be more than happy to test it. Look at this. This is nice. I always wanted a pack like this, but the one they had at the time, it wasn't magnetic. But this actually looks way better than one I was going to purchase. Plus, that one is the same price, and the other one wasn't magnetic. So you can go through here, and as you can see, if you whatever machine you want, just click it in, and it shows it up. When I was looking at it the first time, this wasn't here on the phone. On the phone, it's not. This section on the phone is not here, but on the website, this is here. This is much nicer. So if you're looking for a specific machine, they even tell you how much hoop they have for that machine. Nice, I like that. They do more Hasselblad and Viking. This is more like the little single needle machines. So I'm guessing that's what they cater to the most. PAF, I don't know what PAF is. I've never even heard of this machine. But it looks like it's a single needle machine again. There it is. See, the little side pieces usually tell you it's a single needle machine. And then Baby Lock, Brother. They sell a whole bunch of stuff for Brother. I wanted to sell yep, right there. See, they do sell the big ones too for Brother. But these are all mostly single needle and. Right there. So this is a big Brother one right there. Alright, so I just want to make this video. I don't want to make it too long because this is just about their website, and you technically just need to go do this stuff yourself. Look through this stuff. They sell stabilizer. Ooh, I gotta try out the stabilizer. I need some stabilizer actually. I do need some stabilizer. I'm gonna actually buy the stabilizer from here when I purchase my next roll of stabilizer. 10 inches wide by 50 yards. That's a really nice length. Alright, so I'll be buying this soon. You'll be getting a purchase from me. Alright, so I just want to show this off. Let me bookmark this. So I have it in my bookmarks. And that's their website. So if you ever want to go to Sewtech, if you ever want to go look-see and see what they have to offer for your machine, can't go wrong. And then I'm gonna get back to testing this amazing thing right here. If you don't have one, you need to get yourself one because this, I'm telling you, I love it already. And I haven't even used it yet. All right, peace.